Since structural elements in ProtaStructure enable us to draw and do things in ProtaStructure, today we are going to talk about one structural element in today's video, and that will be columns. Columns play a very big role in ProtaStructure in the sense that it connects beams and distributes the loads from beams onto the ground. So today stick with me as we are going to draw the columns in ProtaStructure. Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It's Godfrey and it's from GuideCard, and today we are here to talk about columns. So as we said, grids are important in ProtaStructure. What we shall do, we shall go to modeling and make our axes using also called axis generator. We click on this, then we select the first point of intersection of the grids. It will ask us the spacing and the extension lines. For this point, we shall only choose what is there, 5,000 meters 3 times. Also in the Y, 5,000 meters 3 times. When I press OK, our grids will be formed. As you can see, we have these grids separated by 5,000 millimeters. We also have these ones also separated by 5 millimeters. 5,000 millimeters. As we said, we shall be placing the columns on the intersection of these axes. So what we shall do when we are going to draw columns, we shall go in the modeling, choose a column here. When we choose column here, on our right hand side, we shall see the column, the column. We shall see what the essentials of this. We have a label which shows what column. We have the story, ranks of the story. We have the width, and we also have the length of the column. Then we have the eccentricity of the column. We have also these ones. So at this point, we go to general, and here we insert the thickness or the dimensions of the column. For this time around, we shall choose 200 millimeters, and also here we shall choose 200 millimeters. We highlight and then write the value we want. When we say eccentricity 0, it means that the column will be starting from the intersection of the point. So it doesn't use to place update. What we shall do, we shall come here where we will need our column and place axis of intersection. We click and place a column. We also come where we need here. If we click here, we place a column. What about here? When we click here, we place a column. And if we do this, we shall see our columns being formed here. As you can see, this is a column of 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters, and they are placed at the intersection of the grids. So many people always want to see how these columns are set in the 3D view. What we have to do, we come to the views, we click here on the views, left click, right click, 3D physical model. We click in the 3D physical model and we create it. As you can see, we have created our column here at these points of intersection. Yeah, they were 4 in number and they are here. In case so you want to see both the 3D and the plan, what we do, we come to the views. We check for the tail vertical or tail horizontal. When we choose this, what we shall be seeing here is what will be also being done here. Yeah, let's say we come choose building setup or modeling, choose a column, specify its distance, which is here, come and place it in the middle, first place escape, choose a column here, it's here, and when we come and we place axis of intersection here, we shall have created our column in that position. As you can see, also in this 3D, a column has been placed here. So that's it. One of the things I've not talked about is defining the height of these columns, but I'm going to do it now. So if I can first highlight from this point up to here, choose the columns, I delete them. Yeah, columns, I need them deleted, and here there is nothing. So what I will do, I will go to building setup, go to stories, go to story operations, then generate a story. As you can see here, note that it is edit, insert a story. It will ask us the number of stories we want. Let's say if we want a G1, the downer flow will also be regarded as a story. Yeah, so we shall have 2 stories. Press OK. So press yes, and then other thing we do is go to story. After we have inserted the story, we go to story operations, we edit story. As you can see, we have 2 stories here, yeah, and the height of the first story is 3000 millimeters and the second one is also 3000 millimeters. Yeah, so we can change this height of the story. This one maybe to 4000 millimeters. Also here, also 4000 millimeters. And this one we can change this maybe to ground floor. And then this one we take it to first floor. Yeah, so as we see, the ground floor and the first floor, they have where they start from. Yeah, this will be from 4000 and also this one will be from 4000 making 8000. Yeah, so when I click, I can also decide to choose the foundation depths of the story of the foundation as this. Let's keep it at that. The first story bottom level, we begin it at 0. Then we press OK. So when we go to our first story, which is here, the first floor, always remember we draw columns for the next floor. Yeah. So if you are going to draw columns, we draw columns of the first floor. So we shall come here on the first floor, which is this one. We place our columns. As you can see, we draw in the plan. Modeling, place columns, place the change these ones. Yeah, change these ones. But may have not changed. Yeah, the 500 is on the length and the 250 is on the width. When I also click here, I put a column. Here I put a column. Here I put a column. Also here I put a column. As you can see in our 3D model, remove this. As you can see in our 3D model, our columns are placed here. So this one is the 1100 meter. This one is showing from the ground floor to the second floor. Yeah. When we go to the ground floor, which is this one, you can see how they are erected. Yeah. So that's the way we draw columns in ProtaStructure. In the next session, we shall talk about how to draw slabs. We shall talk about how to draw columns in this setting out. We draw columns. We draw beams on these columns for the loading to occur while putting slabs and other structural elements. Yeah. If you are that was it for today. If you are new on this channel, I'm Godfrey and I'm from GaviCAD. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Consider subscribing to our channel such that you can never miss out on any upload after you have hit the notification bell. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Let me see you in our next video.